head over to the Huff website. The link will be provided in the description below. So over here we need to start making our logo. We'll first add a text. Now I'm going to make a logo for a skincare company. The name is Posh Skin. At the beginning, the logo really won't look anything extraordinary, so let's just go ahead, head over there, and let's just look for a nice image. Scrolling through to look for the perfect image to use. I like this one. I'll place it here. Let's just see how that looks. Now I'm going to change the color. You can customize it to meet your needs, so let's just change the color to something very good. Now in the process of changing the color, you can edit it to meet the exact thing you want. Now this color isn't what quite there, so just make it deeper. Copy the hex color, select this and paste the hex color. Now you can see what we are doing here. After this, let me just get a frame for the logo. So I'll go to add a shape, and I want this shape. I will size it to my logo. Yes. For the text, I want the text to be bigger. Comment. Yes, we need to style everything before adding the frame, or it will keep on selecting it. We've made it bold. Alright then, so now I want to add a leaf to the logo. I'll head over to symbol, and yeah, I like this. Grab it, reduce the size, and turn it. Okay, that looks much better. And I'll edit the colors. Right. Now it's time to put a frame over it. This looks very good. You can decide to add the frame or not. Now I'm done with my logo. I'll head over to save and download. Type in my email. The logo has been sent to me. Now let's check the logo. Right, so the logo was sent to me and I have unzipped it. It comes in PNG format, JPEG, and EFC. So the EFC is like a vector, so you can decide to further edit it. Now let's view it in PNG format. So there it is in PNG format. Now the resolution is very good, nothing is missing from the image, everything looks good. The resolution is 100%, nothing is missing, there's no blur, there's no watermark, it's completely free. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe for more content like this.